Hey guys, it's Darren over here at Unlimited RV. We just got into Blackthorn, which is the latest, greatest from East West. It's called the 3300 RD, which is rear dining. You're gonna absolutely love this. It's an amazing coach here. What I really like about it, what they've done is that they've created a nice convenience station where your gray tank and your black tank valves are here. Things come up underneath here, so it's a really sophisticated system here. Also with your outdoor shower, hot and cold. They're coming up with a Suburban tankless hot water heater, which is an amazing thing. You'll head on back here. It's equipped with Goodyear tires. That's one thing East West is bringing out on all their fifth wheels is Goodyear tires, which is a big thing. It's come around. They're really fit and finish. It's a black and white, fully walkable roof. Another thing too that they've put in is a really nice towing package. This has 3,000 pounds of towing capacity, which is amazing. Also rack and pinion slide, LP quick connect in case if you want to outdoor cooking or stuff like that. Another really cool thing, it's a full 4 seasons, but they've come up with this new safety rail, which for people that are having a hard time getting up the stairs, it's really nice to kind of grab a hold of and work your way up. Come on in and check out. What's really cool about this rear living is the space that it has. It's a really smart design. You're going to have opposing couches here. They're going to pull out theater seating here, big television. Just lots of space on the inside. I mean, these dueling slides just make it so huge in here. Also, you have nice room, extra storage in here for your pantry. These are adjustable shelves, so you can make them however you want. Comes with a nice microwave. Not almost residential, but pretty good sized stove. So maybe not do a turkey, but you definitely can do a big chicken in here. And as you come back here, you have the Furrion full-size refrigerator here. Super nice. Then you'll have your farmhouse sink over here. Lots of storage, cabinet space. And they also come up with a little side nook here. So a lot of people are using this for full-time. They can use it for dining, but also you could use it for a makeshift office if you're gonna be working during the day. Come on back to the bedroom back here. Again, with East West, they have the king bed. King bed's a really nice way to go. And it's prep for your washer dryer prep here in the back. So really a really thought out RV fifth wheel. The Blackthorn's amazing. Before we go, I want to show you the bathroom as well. It's really nice. Solid surface countertops here, medicine cabinet, big shower space, porcelain flip flush toilet. So if you were in the market for a fifth wheel and have been out there looking for other options out there, this is definitely a great decision to make. For under $100,000, it could be yours. Remember, do your best, let God do the rest, practice random acts of kindness, and always a big woo doggies.